EAS. Right as Chris Yates said it, huh? Just don't awake anyone. Someone got woke up.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marshall County, Western Woodford County, Eastern Stark County, Northeastern Peoria County until 1 a.m. At 11:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bradford to Barksville, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Peoria, Eureka, Lincoln, Chillicothe, Metamora, Germantown Hills, Henry, Roanoke, Rome, Dunlap, Washburn, Brimfield, Bradford, Deer Creek, Spring Bay, Sparlet, Varna, Bayview Gardens, Camp Grove, and Kickapoo. This includes the following highways: Interstate 474 between mile markers 0 and 1, Interstate 74 between mile markers 82 and 89, and between mile markers 110 and 113.
And then as the line pushes through Peoria, while we could be dealing with some very strong winds and some heavy rain and some...
You are listening to